Basic algebra for beginners, made easy and simple, step by step. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you that once there is written 2n, 2n, it means that 2 multiplied by n, or it means 2 into n, or n2 or 2n. So 2n means as 2 into n. Ax means as a into x. Ax means a into x. 4 7 4 means 7 multiplied by 4. When we use a letter to represent a number, we call the letter a variable. We call x plus 5 and y minus 3 variable expressions. A variable may stand for various numbers. Now, x plus 9 is also a variable expression. X minus 2 is also a variable expression. And y plus 3 is also variable expression. So, these are variable expressions because there is a variable in these expressions. Once mn is written, it means that m multiplied by n or m into n. Once 2x is written, it means that 2 multiplied by x or 2 into x. So now over here, we add first 3 plus 5 into 2. So first of all, we will add, and whatsoever resultant we get, we multiply that resultant with that 2. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So first we added, and after getting the resultant of addition, then we multiplied and we got 16. We multiply first over here. First we will multiply 2 into 3, 6, and then 7 minus 6, 1. Subtract first. So over here we will subtract first. 8 minus 2, 6, and plus 5, 11. Now you should remember that do all multiplications and divisions in order from left to right. Now the first step is that whatsoever expression is given to us, so first of all we will go for multiplication and division in order from left to right. Now the second step is this, that do all additions and subtraction in order from left to right. After completion of multiplication and division, our second step is this, that we will add and subtract in order from left to right. Now see this expression, 3 plus 5 into 2. So first of all we multiplied 5 into 10, and 10 plus 3, 13. Over here 5 plus 8 minus 2 into 3. So first of all we multiplied 6, and then 5 plus 8, 13, minus 6, and then we got 7. So we should remember the basic thing, that whatsoever expression is given to us, first of all we will go for addition. In such expression we will go for addition. We will first add, and after adding, whatsoever resultant we get, we will multiply with the 2. So 3 plus 5, 8, 16. Similarly, multiply first. Over here we multiply first, and then we subtract first. Over here we subtracted first, and then whatsoever the result we got, then we added, then we got finally 11. So this is the first lecture of algebra. We will go step by step to grip the clear concept of the algebra. Thank you very much.